सेक्टर के बारे में पूछूंगा, आईटी काउंटर्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आईगेट के जर्मनी में कारोबार को विस्तार करने की योजना है और आईगेट के प्रेसिडेंट अशोक वेमुरी ने ऐसे बातचीत की हमारे संवाददाता अमोल डेठे ने। आइए सुनते हैं उनका क्या कहना है।
हमारे साथ है आईगेट के सीईओ। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू नो इज at what level of margin are you comfortable with, and also you mentioned that you would like to expand in Germany. What are your plans?
You know, our margin expectations aspirationally is 40% and 40 and 25. 40% gross margins and 25% EBITDA. We are nowhere close to that, but that's our aspiration. For me, margins is a reflection of two things. One is the value that our clients attach to the services we bring, and it's also a sort of a report card on how management is doing, because it's about operational efficiency and driving productivity. So combination of that, I would like to see that. I don't have a sort of a peg where I need to get by when, but I'd like to see that trending upwards. With regard to Germany, it's our first foray into Germany. It's very early days. We've had some conversations with our clients. These conversations are very positive, so we think that as a strategy we should focus on Germany, especially given that some of our competitors seem to be finding it difficult, which is why some of these clients who have these our competitors as service providers are finding it they're finding it difficult to deal and much more easier to talk to us.
So if you could give more details on the Germany expansion, like what exactly you do. I mean, you mentioned that acquiring a company is one thing, but what are your areas? I mean, how will you enter in that market?
So we are hiring in the local market. We have the way we usually do that is to send some of our existing people into those markets on the back of a deal, and then we hire extensively more of the front end, front-facing, client-facing people, and then we'll take a look to see how is the swiftest way. If it's scaling up very quickly and we don't find the talent, then acquisition is one route to go. If there are competencies that we think we will not be, from a brand perspective, be able to attract, then again, those kind of things. So right now it's very early days for us. So as we progress, we'll get a better picture and we'll come and update you.
चलिए, ये तो बात हुई आईगेट की विस्तार योजना की, लेकिन अंकित जी आप पूरे आईटी स्पेस को देखते कैसे?